Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Science Query. I am your host Dr. Asha, and in this video I am going to talk about what is oxidation reaction and some of the day-to-day examples of oxidation reactions. Oxidation reaction is a type of chemical reaction where the oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed from an element, compound or molecule. In other words, the electrons are gained in an oxidation reaction. One of the famous examples of oxidation reaction is combustion. Combustion is simply defined as the process of burning something. In combustion reaction, the carbon combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. C plus O2 is equal to CO2. The combustion reaction is an exothermic reaction. Now, let us see some of the common examples of oxidation reactions that happens in our day-to-day life. First is the corrosion. Iron particles are initially shiny but started turning into reddish brown when left for some time. This process is commonly known as rusting of iron. Chemically, rust is hydrated ferric oxide. Similarly, other metals like copper and silver also get tarnished. When metal is attacked by substances like moisture or acid, it is called corrode, and the process is known as corrosion. Now let us see some of the effects of corrosion. Corrosion causes damage to car bodies, bridge, iron railing and ships. To maintain these big equipments, enormous amount of money is spent to replace or manage them. Corrosion in pipeline can also lead to release of potentially hazardous chemicals. The effect of corrosion of steel reinforcing bars in concrete can result in collapse of buildings, bridges and roads. Corrosion results in a dangerous consequence if happens in planes, trains and automobiles. Corrosion causes financial cost, health and safety issues and loss of life. Rancidity is another example of oxidation reaction. Rancidity is the oxidation of oils or fat. It results in foul odor and flavor. Unsaturated components of fatty acids breaks down into ester, volatile aldehyde, ketones, alcohols and hydrocarbons, which results in the foul odor. How to prevent rancidity? By adding antioxidant substances that prevent oxidation in the oil can help in preventing the rancidity. Do you know chips bags are filled with nitrogen gas to prevent the chips from getting oxidized? Now let us see some of the multiple choice questions for the oxidation reaction. First, what happened to the solution color when copper sulfate were dissolved in water? A. Red, B. Green, C. Blue, D. Brown. Well, the answer for this question is the solution turned blue when copper sulfate were dissolved in water. Next question is, what is a rust? A. Ferric oxide, B. Hydrated ferrous oxide, C. Hydrated ferric oxide, D. None of the above. The answer is rust is hydrated ferric oxide. Now the next question. What happened in an oxidation reaction? A. Electrons are gained, B. Electrons are lost, C. Protons are lost, D. Protons are gained. The answer for this question is, in an oxidation reaction, the electrons are gained. Now the next question. Rusting of iron is an example of which of the following process? A. Corrosion, B. Hydrolysis, C. Hydrogenation, D. Oxygenation. The answer for this question is rusting of iron is an example of corrosion. Now the next and last question. Oxidation of fat and oil results in an unpleasant smell and taste, which is called A. Corrosion, B. Reduction, C. Rancidity, D. Antioxidation. Well, the answer for this question is rancidity. Oxidation of fat and oil results in an unpleasant smell and taste which is known as rancidity. Well, that is all for this video about what is oxidation reaction. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel Science Query and please like, share and comment. Thank you.